Hi Cancerians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of April. This month is very interesting because there's a full moon on 28th of March, and this moon is mainly focusing on all the emotions and the relationships going forward. Some will strengthen, some will die. Ultimately, it will be all peace and happiness. Let's see what the month holds for you. So, you're already emotional, and here comes emotions. You are, see, you have, you're being too emotional about something in the past. You're withholding something, you're not offering something. Let me clarify this King of Cups first for you. The world. So Cancerians, this comes very often in your readings that you are the only party, or there's a party which has put in more hard work, and that's why, there's an indecision or there's withholding. I feel that, all the work is done by you. Let me clarify this moon card. Why is there heavy emotions involved? So yeah, some communication has been cut. That's why there is a regret. Um, Fire energy, something. Maybe a communication came out too strong. That's why you I think withheld your point of view. You didn't take it forward, is what I feel. Let me clarify the Five of Cups, Hermit, Queen of Wands. So yeah, you you're not talking right now. This month is more of going inwards and taking back your power. I feel. Let me clarify this. Eight of Cups. You are, even if you've worked hard, you don't want to look back now. Yeah. So you're taking. Oh, see. Oh my God. You're taking back your power, and you're moving into a more happy situation, a more fulfilling, a more abundant, a more stable in terms of love, in terms of money. Look at this: Four of Wands, Ten of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. So you are moving into a more stable. This month, turns out to be very good for you because you're leaving behind a one-sided or situation which drained you, which didn't give you the happiness because maybe you were the only one working hard, you were the only one investing, and it took a lot from you. And I mean, obviously it took time for you to move on because you couldn't decide, but you started with stopping the communication. You started with taking back your power. You started with going inwards, and that's how you achieve this. Let's see what the universe has for you. Forgive. Yeah. See, I told you, didn't I? You need to forgive this person, Cancerians. You need to. Sorry, dog just started barking. So, Cancerians, you need to forgive this person. This card says the only difference between a friend and a foe is that you have decided where love can grow. So if decided to move on, you will go into the greener pastures, right? You need to go into the greener pastures only after forgiving. You might not know now, but you will. So if you don't see the truth yet, because everything is too clouded right now, if the moon card also represents something which is hidden from you. You will know the truth. Universe says that to think of someone very special to you. Now feel yourself bursting with love for them and for yourself. So just I think it says that you forgive them and take the love to you. Start loving yourself. Karma is on your side ultimately, my God, Cancer. If you see this card, then see this card. The karma is on your side. You are bound to find abundance, you're bound to find love, you're bound to find the money because you have done your hard work. Everybody can see, the universe also can see that, see, this person is really, really working hard. If you could read all the minds that I have read, hear all the prayers that I hear, and beat all the hearts that I beat, I wonder if you ever believe how often you're thought of, talked about, and fallen in love with. It's payback time. So you will get what you deserve here. Cancerians, because you have been putting a lot of hard work, you have been honest, you have been really honest in something somebody was not honest, as honest, with the moon card. They, you were putting in emotions and they were hiding stuff, and you started somehow regretting the love that you were giving. I think you actually took a lot from person like you to withhold stuff. Let me see what the theme of the month is for you. Usually I take out this card before the universe card, but I wanted to, because I felt a lot of heavy emotions, so I wanted some positive messages from the universe for you. The theme of the month is the star, hope, wish fulfillment, justice, and the judgment. See, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Karma, justice together, karma, judgment together, justice card together. This is my hope card. This is also a wish fulfillment card, the star card. You know, it says that I think you deserve the best. Your wish will be fulfilled this month. Cancerians, you have worked really hard for this, and universe is watching. Lord is watching. You will get justice. Don't worry about it. Let people do what they have to do. Let us see. Let us get some more cards from the universe. This is another deck. It says the energy flows where my intention goes. When I'm in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. My outer experiences are a reflection of my internal condition. So I think I'll interpret this as that don't let this negative energy, the shadowy energy, take your energy out. Don't let this instability, bring disruption to your peace. So you need to focus on your energy. You need to focus on your internal energy. Go inwards, like you were trying to, with the Hermit card. Just stabilize your internal energy, because the more good energies you send out, the more universe will listen and send out the good energies back to you, is what I feel. Now let us see how you can handle the situation. Let us take one more card from my wisdom deck to see how can you handle this situation. Cancerians, one card for Cancerians, Lord. Okay. This card wants to fall out. Friendly. So, Cancerians, you are friendly people, but this might had left a bitter taste in your mouth. I feel Lord is asking you to, like, again, take back your power, take back your energies, and be in your energy. Be friendly, be nice. Just cut off whatever is changing your energies, is what I'm getting. And I feel that this month will end up making you very happy at the end, and very fulfilled, and universe has got your back. So that's all I have for you. If you like what I do subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet next month.